Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to log out or sign out of Paper.io2 application using your mobile device. Whether you are switching device or taking a break, this tutorial will make your account stay secure. First of all, open up Paper.io2 on your smartphone and then from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. Look for a sign out or log out button. If you've previously logged in with your Apple ID account, you will see the sign out with Apple logo option. Simply tap on that and click on OK in green. Soon after you do that, you have successfully signed out of your Paper.io2 account. Logging out helps protect your account and keep your progress safe, so that's how it's easily done. You can sign back in any time with the sign in button available in the settings menu. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.